everyone, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Tuesday weather video brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Plenty of cloud hanging around the north at the moment. It's been cloudy a few days actually for the North Island. Humid winds coming through, and I'm getting farmers saying to me, we're really happy with this forecast. It's raining, the water tanks are filling up, but once you get to the South Island, quite a different story. At least the eastern side is very, very dry now in North Otago, Canterbury, Marlborough, and in fact even getting up and towards Wairarapa. Dry in those areas, and only a few showers in the forecast over the next few weeks, or couple of weeks I should say, for some of those eastern areas in the south. So when we look at the wind and rain maps, let's take a look at where that rain actually is. It's still around the west coast, and like I said, a few drizzle patches maybe lingering around the lower part of the North Island. It's quite cloudy still for the North Island. Sunnier weather might be over here in the east, although I still think it's a fairly cloudy day because we've got a nor'east flow sliding down this coastline, and that tends to be a bit gloomy for people. But humid, so it's not going to be cold for many areas. Now by the time we get to Thursday, we are in summer, although there are two starts to summer, the 1st of December, and then of course about 30% of New Zealanders go with the solstice, which is around about the 22nd of December. That's the longest day of the year too for us down here in the southern hemisphere. However, we're actually in a spring pattern still. Northerlies on this side, southerlies on this side. I'd call this a pretty typical spring front. So that's coming up the country on Thursday with a burst of rain once again for the west coast, and still warm up here in the north. And we end on Friday with a burst of rain or showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm coming in from that. Some rain relief, which is good news for Wairarapa. Bit of rain coming in for these northern areas later on, or showers and drizzle. It may not be a lot of rain for these northern areas. High pressure up here, a little bit stronger than further south. So that's the forecast for the next few days. It's summer technically, but the spring pattern with us for a few more weeks just yet. Weatherwatch.co.nz for more details, and don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, you can go to Sky Channel 081. It's Country TV.